So I just hiked a little over 2 miles up the side of a mountain. Woke up at like 6:30, was out the door by 7. And that's not to brag or anything. It's really just to share like how much we need this, you guys. We need to reconnect with our mother. I had a lot. It was heavy on my heart and heavy on my mind. Just, I think everybody's going through a lot right now. And nature truly is the great recalibrator. I had brought my cards. I was going to do a reading, but it's fucking raining its ass off, and it's amazing. And even when I got to the top of the mountain, I got as high as I could. Then the woods got a little thick, and I couldn't go any further. But I found a rock, and I sat on a rock, and I took my own advice, which is, I took my shoes off, listened to the guides, but take a deep breath and all the way behind your belly button. And take another deep breath and pull all that fucking noise in your head and just pull it down to your feet and connect with the earth. And remember that she is alive. Yes, all of this beautiful nature is alive, but our Mother Earth, this planet, is alive. And just tuning into that consciousness, that life. And like I said, I'm not pulling out the cards because it's raining. I don't know if you can see the clouds. There's a fence over here. I don't know what's over here, but I'm not going over there. But I'm really grateful. I'm so grateful to be back in Asheville. This is where my heart wants to be. I'm a Colorado girl, but my heart belongs to Asheville, North Carolina. It's really raining its ass off over here. But I just wanted to share this peace. I don't know if you can feel the love. Do you feel it? Do you feel the love? Yeah. Do you feel it? Do you feel Mother Earth? There's so many beautiful flowers, but just if you can get to nature and just put the electronics away. Oops. And it's so silly, it cut me off after I said put the electronics away. And you missed the mushrooms and everything. I was talking for a while. Well, whatever. Just, nature is the great recalibrator. Whatever burdens you carry, whatever worries, feel the love. Feel the love of the mother. Feel the love. I want to sing a song that I wrote a long time ago in Colorado. So I'm going to. You don't have to listen if you don't want to. But it goes like this. Well, I'm up here, standing on a mountain. I'm earthing, got no shoes on my feet. I'm living, yeah, and my home's in Carolina. I'm a gypsy, I'm stoned and living free, yeah. Well, I'm not going to sing the whole thing, but whatever. Just get up and stand on a mountain, y'all. It feels good. It feels so good. Sit on a rock. Tune into the consciousness of our planet. And here come people now. So, peace and love. Until next time. This lovely poison ivy stopped me to help me notice that there's some ripe berries over here. And so I had one and it was yummy. And Just wanting to share the magnificence of the forest. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, my heart needed to get up and go for a walk. So did my legs.